Hello, my dear student of class 8. Welcome to the online classes of Small Wonders Secondary School. As you all know that I am your science teacher and today I am going to teach you part 3rd, chapter number 13, sound. So student, in our previous class we learnt about how do human beings produce sound and how do we hear. So in next part we discuss about what is amplitude, frequency, time period, characteristics of sound and loudness and pitch. Alright student, so open your book and take one pencil with you. So let's start. Sound is produced by to and fro motion of the object, which is known as vibration, or the motion is also known as similar to the oscillatory motion. Clear? Sound propagate from one place to another in a form of waves. Sound always travel in the waves in any of the medium like solid, liquid, gas. Okay? And because of the distribution of particles of the medium. यानी medium कैसा है? Medium is solid, liquid and gas. So the wave is dependent on the medium. Okay? So wave is the phenomena or distribution in which energy is transformed from one point to another without any direct contact between the point. Okay, here the air is not visible but we hear the sound. Okay, what is the reason behind that? Because without any of the contact, the air is molecules vibrate and the second molecule give their vibration to the next molecule and next molecule give the vibration to the next molecule. So without any contact they travel from one place to another. So sound is considered as a wave. Okay, so we learned from the sound chapter. Sound is the energy. Sound is produced by the oscillatory type motion or vibration, and sound is travel in the solid, liquid and gas. Sound is fastest travel in the solid and sound cannot travel in the vacuum. Alright student, and now we discuss sound is considered as the waves. Okay, so first we discuss about the point number 1, amplitude. Okay, so in a sound wave we say that the sound is travel in the wave. Look at the picture, sound is travel like in a waves. Okay, so in a sound wave the maximum displacement associated with the particles constitute a wave is called amplitude. Look at the picture, whenever the waves is coming, okay, when how displaced यानी कितनी waves को up किया है, तो this is their amplitude. Okay, so we say the sound waves constitute displacement associated with the particles is known as amplitude. Look at the picture. Okay, this is the amplitude of the sound waves. Okay, we present amplitude with the A and this is unit of SI unit is amplitude is meter. Remember? Okay, frequency, the number of vibration or oscillation complete by an object in 1 second. Okay, यानी 1 सेकेंड में उसने कितने वाइब्रेशन कंप्लीट किए हैं? दिस इज देयर फ्रीक्वेंसी, यानी एक बार में उसकी कितनी वेव्स बनी है? दिस इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द साउंड. ओके, means number of the oscillation or time. Okay, so frequency equals to 1 upon time. Look at this amplitude. Okay, this is the amplitude. और 1 मिनट में यहाँ पर कितनी फ्रीक्वेंसी है? लो. Here the medium and here the frequencies occur very high. Okay, so जितना amplitude ज़्यादा होगा उसकी frequency उतनी ही ज़्यादा होगी. Okay, so frequency is measured in the hertz or it is responsible by represent by the Hz. Okay, hertz को short में क्या लिखेंगे? Hz. The frequency of 20 hertz is 20 oscillation per second. यानी if we say that if we are using one pendulum और हम कह रहे हैं इसकी frequency क्या है, then we say that कि 1 सेकेंड में उसने 20 बार में रोटेट हुआ, so उसकी frequency कितनी हुई? 20 hertz. कितनी हुई? 20 hertz. So if the object oscillate in 80 times in 1 second, तो उसकी frequency क्या हुई? 18 hertz. Okay. Now time period, यानी उसने एक oscillation में कितना टाइम लिया है? तो टाइम टेकन बाय ऑब्जेक्ट और पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मीडियम टू कंप्लीट वन ऑसिलेशन, यानी एक बार उसने, जैसे कि पेंडुलम है, देन इट मूव फ्रॉम वन डायरेक्शन ए फ्रॉम B to C and again he come to the A, ओके, यानी एक ऑसिलेशन जाकर वापस आने में उससे कितना टाइम लगा, दिस इज द टाइम पीरियड, ओके, विच वी रिप्रेजेंट बाय द T, एंड ऐसा यूनिट में हम उसे किस में मेजर करेंगे, इन दी सेकेंड. सो टाइम पीरियड वी से द टाइम अपॉन नंबर ऑफ वाइब्रेशन. ओके, लुक एट द पिक्चर. सो दिस इज द एम्पलीट्यूड, डिस्प्लेसमेंट, ओके, तो जितना डिस्प्लेसमेंट होता है वो उसका एम्पलीट्यूड, एंड यहाँ से उसने नीचे जाके वापस आने में जितना टाइम लिया, दिस इज द टाइम पीरियड. और एक सेकेंड में उसने जितने एम्पलीट्यूड्स किए हैं वो उसकी क्या हो गई, फ्रीक्वेंसी. ओके, सो नाउ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ साउंड, there are loudness, pitch and quality. Okay, so loudness means the sensation produced by air in which individual and distinguish between a faint or a loud sound. If the amplitude of vibration is larger, the sound produced by more audible, है ना, ज़्यादा वाइब्रेशन एम्पलीट्यूड होगा यानी ज़्यादा साउंड हायर होगी, देन वी हियर द साउंड लाउडर. सो लाउडनेस इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द स्क्वायर्स ऑफ द एम्पलीट्यूड, यानी एम्पलीट्यूड जितना ज़्यादा होगा उसकी लाउडनेस भी क्या होगी, ज़्यादा होगी. नाउ पिच मीन्स द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ साउंड विच enable individual to distinguish of soft sound or shrill sound. Higher the frequency, higher the pitch. एम्पलीट्यूड ज़्यादा होगा तो लाउडनेस ज़्यादा होगी, फ्रीक्वेंसी ज़्यादा होगी तो पिच ज़्यादा होगी. Remember that whenever the amplitude is higher, then louder the sound, and whenever the frequency is higher, then pitch is the higher. Now quality of the sound which enable individual to distinguish the musical sound emitted by the direct voice, musical instrument, and even through the pulses of some loudness and pitch. Okay. Now what is loudness and pitch? We discussed about by the activity. Take a metal tumbler and a tablespoon. Strike the tablespoon gently at the beam of the tumbler. यानी tumbler के corner पे हमने strike किया. Hear the sound. Now bang the spoon on the tumbler and hit the sound produced again. Is the sound louder than the tumbler is strike hard? तो हम जितना ज़्यादा loudly इस पर strike करेंगे, then they produce a louder sound. Now suspend a small thermocol ball touching to the rim of the tumbler and vibrate the tumbler by the strike it. See how far the ball is displaced. यानी हमने छोटी सी एक थर्माकोल बॉल लिया, टम्बलर के ऊपर रखा और हमने टम्बलर को स्ट्राइक किया, एंड वी ऑब्जर्व कि कितनी दूर जाकर वो बॉल गिरी. सो जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट था यानी बॉल जितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया, दिस इज द एम्पलीट्यूड. ओके, नाउ स्ट्राइक द टम्बलर जेंटली with some force and compare the amplitude of vibration of the tumbler in the two case. एक बार हमने उसको धीरे से टच किया एंड एक बार हमने लाउडली उसको स्ट्राइक किया, with force स्ट्राइक किया, then we notice that the difference between the sound. Okay, so louder of the sound propagation to the squares of the amplitude of the vibration. If the amplitude become the twice, अगर amplitude हमारा 2 है तो लाउडनेस कितनी होगी, 4, और लाउडनेस को हम किस में एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, dB यानी डेसिबल. The following table give of the idea of their sound. Okay, so if we are normal breathing, then the sound is 10 decibel. Soft whispering, if we whispering for anyone at 5 meter distance, then 30 decibel sound is we hear. Normal conversation, when I am teaching you and we are talking to each other, then the normal conversation having a 60 decibel. Now busy traffic, heavy traffic we having, then we are here about the 17 decibel sound, and average factory sound is 80 decibel, and above 80 decibel the noise becomes physically painful. We are irritated with the high louder sound of the 80 decibels. Okay, so the loudness of sounds depend on the amplitude. Where the loudness is depend on the amplitude. When the amplitude of vibration is large, the sound produced is loud. When the amplitude is small, the sound produced playable. Clear? Compare the sound of baby and adult. Is there difference? Okay, even if the sound was equal loud, but they are different because their pitch is the different. Okay, so amplitude depends the loud and frequency depend pitch is depend on the frequency. Okay, so frequency determine the shrillness or pitch of the sound. If the frequency is higher, so we say that the sound is shrill and higher pitch. Okay, if the frequency of vibration is lower, then we say the sound is low pitch. For example, a drum vibrate with the low frequency, there it produce a low pitch sound. On the other hand, a whistle with a higher frequency, therefore the sound of pitch is very higher. A bird make a high pitch sound, whereas a lion make a low pitch sound. Okay, so however the roar of the lion is very loud, where the sound of bird is quite feeble. Alright student, so now you clearly understand the difference between loudness and pitch. Okay, so every day you hear the voice of children and adult. Do you find any difference in the voice? Can you say the frequency of the voice of the children is higher than the adult? Usually the voice of woman is higher frequency. Okay, तो human की जो sound होती है woman की, उसमें pitch ज़्यादा होता है and man की sound में loudness ज़्यादा होती है. Alright, so the loudness of sounds depend on the amplitude. The higher the amplitude, higher the displacement and higher the loudness. So loudness of the sound is directly proportional to the squares of the amplitude. And the SI unit of loudness is decibel. Clear? Now pitch of the sound. So every person have a different pitch quality. Every musical instrument vibrating produce different kind of sound, and this quality of sound is characteristic by the pitch or loudness. The pitch of sounds depend on the frequency, and the pitch would be higher if the frequency is sound is higher. Alright. So student, I hope you clearly understand about amplitude, time period, frequency and how loudness and pitch depend on amplitude and frequency. So student, read your chapter very carefully, and if you have any of the doubt, then ask me the question. Thank you for watching.